The Uganda Demographic Health Survey of 2011 revealed that 55% of women aged 15 to 49 years have experienced domestic violence as compared to 26% of women, while 28% of women and 9% of men have experienced sexual violence. United Nations Population Fund is one of the lead agencies working to further gender equality and women's empowerment and to address the physical and emotional consequences of gender-based violence. The United Nations Population Fund's program offer psychosocial assistance, medical treatment and rape kits to survivors and promote the rights of all women and girls to live free of violence and abuse.
We have heard the various consequences of what gender-based violence can do. Not only does it undermine the safety, dignity, overall health status and human rights of the millions of individuals who experience it, especially here in Uganda, but also the public health and economic stability and security of our nations, including Uganda.
Justice David Batema confirms that a lot has to be done, starting with the local councils and police, to curb down gender-based violence, which has been observed to be a common perpetrator in over-asking questions from women as to why they make multiple reports at police stations, hence giving opportunities to men to violate their rights.
What does the law of rape say? The person must be capable of giving consent or denying consent. For that reason, these people are wrongly charged with rape. They should be charged with simple defilement and they be taken to a chief magistrate. The DPP said, I'm going to appeal. It is now about 2 years. I'm waiting for the appeal.
Government, through the Ministry of Health, reiterates commitment to end gender-based violence with the support of the legal framework in place.
The police crime report of 2013 states an increase in defilement cases by 15%. That is from 8,076 from 2012 to 9,586 cases in 2013.
The State Minister for Gender, Labour and Social Development, Honorable Mutuzo Peace Legis, condemned acts of schools having illicit sexual content in their libraries, something she says promotes degrading of morals.
We are not harassing gays. We don't ever harass them, neither does police do harass them. And if there was evidence, they would have adduced them by now. But the idea of spreading the gospel that is not acceptable to our culture is what we are condemning.
The Norwegian government, together with other stakeholders, has contributed to the Uganda's efforts to advance women's health and women's rights through the investment in gender-based violence prevention and response programs.
Gender-based violence, working to protect and empower women and girls in northern and northeastern Uganda. They've been doing this since 2013, and the project is now in a bridging phase. So we are happy to have received the report, and so many interesting facts are written in this one.
Women contribute 55% of the total population in the country. Exposure to gender-based violence is associated with a range of health consequences for the survivor. Sexual can result in a pregnancy that a woman did not wish for if not helped to receive emergency conception. This is a responsibility for all of us for a better future of gender responsiveness. Kawesa Luama, WBS TV.